for a place called home. I found forever in your gentle eyes. Through every season, every joy and trial.
Nagbunga na rin ang ating pagmamahalan. Gusto ko 7 ang magiging anak natin.
I remember when our journey first began. Two simple hearts holding tightly hand in hand. We built our dreams with faith instead of gold. And every promise we made still shines untold. You feed me up, you're the light that guides my way. The quiet strength beside me every day. Every sunrise whispers your sweet name. And loving you has never changed.
Gusto ko sanang dagdagan ng isa ang anak natin.
Ano ka, hello? Ubo na lang ang matigas sa'yo.
Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa sa aking puso at wala nang iba.
Ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko sa buong buhay ko.
Ikaw lang at wala nang iba.
Years have passed, but your beauty remains, growing brighter through the sunshine and the rain. Every wrinkle tells a story we both share, of endless love and answered prayers. If I could live this life 1,000 times again, I'd still be thankful you became my closest friend. You're the blessing heaven placed into my hands, my forever love, my promised land. Only you can calm the storms inside my soul. Only you can make a broken spirit whole. Through the laughter and the tears we've traveled through, my heart belongs forever only you. Till the stars fade from the midnight blue, I'll keep choosing, loving only you. When my final breath becomes a whispered prayer, I'll still be grateful.
Para sa aking pinakamagandang auntie sa buong mundo, happy 60th wedding anniversary. Ang wish ko sa inyo, good health and long life.
My one true heart, my one true dream. You feed me up, my forever.